here. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can make a somewhat similar to the Damon bow by hand. We need 6 ribbons. We need 3 of them to be 1.5 inches, 3 to be 2.5 inches. So I'm going to layer my 3 ribbons just like I would if I was going to use my pro bow. Each of my loops, I want them to be 5 inches, so it's going to be a 10-inch measurement. Fold it over. You pinch it. Keeping them layered. You measure to your 10-inch mark. Pinch it. Alright, and this is the first spot we have to do a little twist. Alright, so now we have like this little bow tie looking thing. Measured out 10 inches. Do a twist. So we're trying to accomplish a 3-ribbon bow by hand right now. Alright, this is the last 3 1.5 inch loop that we have to do. Once we have that, we can pull our tails out, trim them off. And I cut a 24-inch wire a while ago. We're even going to fluff it by hand, y'all. Alright, so we just pull them apart. I hope after people do this enough times by hand, they'll realize that they should buy a pro bow. So this is live in my group, but I'm going to use this video as an opt-in later, so I'm not answering questions yet. At the end, we'll do Q&A, y'all. I don't even have the questions open, or the chat open to see them. Alright, so there is our center 3-ribbon bow. Now we just need to do some terry bow tails underneath it. To do that, dovetail one in. Measure out 7 inches. Measure 14 inches. Fold it in half. Rotate it. Do another 14-inch. And then measure out your 7-inch tail. Alright, so now we have a little bow tie. Just going to wire him right into the bottom. So remember, 7-inch tail, 14-inch loop. Probably would look better if I would not have done the 7-inch loops, maybe a 6-inch. The first one I did different dimensions and you can't really see the terry bow underneath it. This one you can really see the terry bow. Alright, so now that they're all attached, I'm just going to fluff it out. Alright, y'all, that's all it takes to make a bow by hand. Let me get to the chat so we can answer some questions. Alright, I don't think there's any questions related to the bows, so that's it, y'all. Thanks for watching.